What can I do to prevent my Samsung Galaxy volume from continuously going down?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue with Samsung Galaxy phones, the volume continuously going down. You might be listening to your favorite song, watching a video, or on an important call when suddenly the volume drops. No worries, we have some easy steps to prevent this. Let's dive in.
Is it a hardware issue?
First, let's determine if this is a hardware or software issue. If your volume rocker, that's the small button on the side of your phone that controls the volume, is physically stuck or damaged, that could be causing the problem. Action step. Gently manipulate the volume rocker, checking for any signs of damage or stickiness. If the buttons seem damaged, you might need to get your device serviced.
Is an app causing this?
Some apps might have permissions that allow them to control your phone's volume. To determine if an app is causing your volume to drop, try booting your phone in safe mode. In safe mode, all third-party apps are disabled. Action step. Press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Then, long press the power off option until a prompt to boot into safe mode appears. If your volume behaves normally in safe mode, a third-party app might be the culprit.
Clear the cache partition.
Sometimes, cached data from your apps can cause various issues, including volume problems. Clearing your cache partition might resolve the issue. Action step. Turn off your phone, then hold the volume up, Bixby, and power buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition, and use the power button to select it. Once the process is complete, select Reboot System Now.
Factory reset as a last resort.
If none of the above steps have worked, you might want to consider a factory reset. This should be your last resort, as it will erase all data on your device. Action step. Go to Settings, then General Management, then Reset. Select Factory Data Reset, and finally, Reset. Make sure you back up all your data before doing a factory reset. Thanks for watching this guide on how to fix your Samsung Galaxy's volume. Remember, start with the easy solutions first. Check the volume rocker, boot in safe mode, and clear the cache partition. Only use a factory reset as a last resort. We hope this video was helpful, and you can now enjoy your device without volume interruptions. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.